covered control surfaces, an aileron, rudder, and elevator. More than 17,000 markers were built in Canada by North American Aviation, while another 4,500 were built by Canada, Australia, Japan, and Sweden during and after the Second World War. In Canada, markers were built by Northern in Montreal, and in Canada's Charter Foundry at Fort William, Ontario, which is now known as Thunder Bay. The language of Field Airborne until they were given a new life. Other countries military trainer well into the 1990s. That's certainly key. A Canadian card foundry in Fort William, Ontario in 1962 served as number 2 flight training school in Prince Saskatchewan until it was sold off by the government in 1967. Next aircraft